Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Hey, what a week it had been at the Pink City Jaipur and the Venice of the East Udaipur. The cultural heritage that Rajasthan offered me was absolutely amazing. Rajasthan was a classic example how proud an Indian should be towards his culture and heritage. I am happy to be able to share with you one of the most exciting journey of my life. Thank you, Rajasthan.
It's only love.
Travel makes you feel what a small space you occupy in the world. I have been traveling since I was a kid. My father has been my inspiration in everything I do. It's been 2 years I have been making videos and I love what I do. My name is Ayan Banerjee and thank you for watching my vlog